Karma Guy here. Check out this 2010 Lexus LS 460 sedan. It's got clean Carfax and low miles, especially considering its age. Plus, it comes with an amazing dealer service history, 35 records, and a recent major service valued at over $3,600. This dealer certified pre-owned Lexus is backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty, and we've got a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price when you buy. Recent work includes new tires, spark plugs, brake pads, valve cover gaskets, and more. Fully inspected and ready to go. Remember, when you choose quality over price, the value lasts. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade too. Don't miss out, this car won't last long. Let's make it yours today.